Is your car struggling to start? Battery weak? Don't run to the shop just yet, because in this video, I'm going to reveal a 60-second trick that can breathe life back into your old, dying battery. And best of all, it costs you nothing. Yes, nothing. This isn't clickbait. It's a real technique that mechanics don't want you to know, because if you knew this, you'd stop buying expensive new batteries so often. So smash that like button, hit subscribe if you love saving money on your car, and watch till the end, because I'll also share 2 bonus battery hacks that can literally double your battery's lifespan. Let's jump in. Trick number 1, the baking soda and water boost. One of the most powerful tricks for rejuvenating an old car battery involves something you already have in your kitchen: baking soda. Over time, sulfation builds up on battery plates and reduces performance. This is often what makes your battery seem dead, when in reality it's just clogged. Here's what you do. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 cup of water. Remove the battery terminals, negative first. Dip an old toothbrush into the mixture and scrub the terminals clean. Reconnect the terminals tightly. The chemical reaction helps neutralize battery acid corrosion, improving current flow and letting your battery breathe again. In many cases, this alone can bring a weak battery back to life. But wait, what if the battery still won't hold a charge? Don't click away, because trick number 2 is where the magic really happens. Trick number 2, the Epsom salt recharge trick. Now here's the big one. Mechanics hope you'll never try. Epsom salt battery recharge. This trick helps break down sulfate crystals inside the battery cells, restoring some of their original capacity. Here's how to do it safely. Warm up half a quart of distilled water, not tap water. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt into it. Remove the cell caps from your 12-volt battery. Carefully pour the solution into each cell until full. Shake the battery gently and let it sit for several hours or overnight. What this does is help reactivate the electrolyte inside the battery, giving older batteries a second life. In some cases, people have extended a battery's life by another 6 to 12 months using this method. Want to make sure your battery doesn't die again too soon? Then don't miss trick number 3, the voltage saver technique. Trick number 3, insulate your battery in cold weather. One of the biggest reasons old batteries fail is due to temperature extremes, especially cold winters. The cold slows chemical reactions inside the battery, draining power fast. Use a battery insulation kit, they're cheap on Amazon, or DIY it using styrofoam or thermal wrap. By insulating the battery case, you can maintain optimal internal temperature and prevent cold weather battery failure. It's a 5-minute job that protects your battery for years. Cold kills batteries, but this trick keeps them warm and strong. Trick number 4 is even smarter. Trick number 4, use a solar battery maintainer. If your car sits for days or weeks, the battery drains from electronics like clocks and immobilizers. To keep it topped up, install a solar battery maintainer on your dashboard. It connects to the cigarette lighter or directly to the battery and trickle charges during the day, even on cloudy days. This prevents deep discharges that age your battery faster. It's especially helpful for second cars, classic cars, or vehicles parked long-term. Want to know what never to do with your car battery? That's trick number 5. Trick number 5, never jump start without cleaning terminals. This might sound basic, but people ruin their batteries by jump starting without cleaning the terminals. If corrosion is present, electricity can arc and damage both batteries. Always brush off any green or white buildup before connecting jumper cables. And don't let the car run for just 2 minutes. Let it idle for at least 15 to 20 minutes so the alternator can recharge the battery. Coming up, a bonus trick using Coca-Cola. Yes, really. Bonus trick, the Coca-Cola terminal cleaner. Yep, Coke isn't just for drinking. The phosphoric acid in Coca-Cola helps break down corrosion. Pour a little on your terminals and let it bubble for a few minutes. Then wipe clean with a cloth and apply petroleum jelly to prevent future buildup. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a great trick if you're stuck without tools. If even one of these tricks saves your battery, that's $100 or more back in your pocket. Imagine how much more you'll save with all of them. So if you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because I drop car-saving tips like these every week. Got a weird battery issue I didn't cover? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. Thanks for watching. Now go revive that battery and keep your car on the road where it belongs.